Oh, okay. Hello. Hello. I'm Taffy, and today I'm gonna play with my new palette. Oh look, it's Mummy's first Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. You might think, yeah, bit late to the party on that one, fam. I know. Why Prism? Well, because of the colour story. I see a green in there. You know how I feel about green. I like it. We just painted the office green. Yeah, so Prism, colour story that I really like. I mean, I really like the colour story and subculture, but everyone knows that's the worst palette that's ever been made. And you'd be a right fuckwit to buy it. Pets, you gotta stop clicking. Also, this was on sale, so, oh Frankie fuck. That's why I now own this. And I've never had an ABH. Fuck, look at this, man, it's so sick. Oh, I've got a tattoo, oh, Taffy. So yeah, I'm gonna get into that. For the first time, I'm going to I think I did all my hair out of the way. And did pink clip. Got it free in a Japanese hotel. It's cracking. I haven't even opened it yet. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Well, I mean, I pulled it out of the bubble wrap and gave the bubble wrap to my dog because he likes bubble wrap. So let's just have a look. Okay. Hello. Oh, right. Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a real thing. If this fucks you up, not our problem. Okay. Oh god. Oh, it's velvet. Not necessarily expecting that. Impractical? Little bit, maybe. Oh yeah, by the way, I did my base and stuff already, but I did it quite a few hours ago, so it was looking a bit, you know, dusty, musty, crusty and busty. That's why, don't judge me. Oh, okay. Placky thing. There's a mirror cover. I don't need to pull that off. A complimentary brush. These are usually trash. I mean, it's ABH. Maybe it's a good brush. We can find out. Oh, but look. Look how beautiful it is. It's very beautiful. What colours are we going to do? I don't know. All of them, Taffy, all of them. Right, well, fuck. Oh god. There goes the brush. Seems right. Oh, I mean, I immediately go, green. And, oh, it feels nice on the hand. Oh. Okay, I wasn't quite expecting that colour. I reckon it's gonna look sick though. That's cool. Okay, so it's a grey with sparkly green. That's why it looks green. It's not really that green. What about this guy? Osiris. Yeah, same sort of thing. Really interesting. Okay, what about dimension? Oh, fuck me. Oh. There's the top one. Look at that. Okay. I don't have anything to wipe my stuff on. Should I wipe it on my computer chair? I'm a filth wizard, friend only to the pig and the rat. Mate, I don't know where am I going with this? Right, first, Unity, the normal colour there. I'm gonna, actually let's pull this thing off. Five hours later. Oh, here we go. Done that, Rick. Now I can look at myself being all beautiful and be like, I'm so beautiful. What am I gonna do? Unity. Oh, hello, friend. Oh. Yep. That's a happening. Right. Okay. Wow, this is Lello. Cool. Much on my cheeks already? Nah, she's alright, mate. This is bold. Doot. This brush isn't as soft as I might have expected, but it's fine. There's a lot more colour in this than I sort of assumed that there was gonna be. I thought it would be like bone coloured, but clearly I can't see because it's like full blown mustard. Yeah, it's fine. Oh god. I haven't mown my eyebrows in a hot minute. Oh! We don't have a proper mirror in our bathroom yet. It's kind of hard to tell, you know. Oh, but in this light, oh, I can, ooh. It's a start. Okay, where are we going from here? Oh, 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 all the fucking sparkly ones are so lovely, and I'm touching the lovely outside of the case, and it is going to be filthy in like less than 2 seconds. Oh no. Fuck, I'm here for this. Anastasia, where have you been all my life? Where they sell the makeup that you can't afford. Let's chuck some of the sphere colour in. It's like, okay. Lello. I don't know where I'm going with this. Let's just go, oh, up in there. Sure, mate. Sure. Well, that got big all of a sudden. It's soft, isn't it? Not the colour, obviously, but the formula is, yeah. Well, you've done that. Okay. Right, lure into the crease, I think. Am I giving up on the green idea? Not necessarily. Woofed. I can smell someone barbecuing, that's weird. Okay, so this is a bit mad. Maybe you should tap off more next time before putting it on your face. Maybe I'll use the slightly smaller end. Okay. Lure. Let's try a little bit on the other side. She's learning as she's going. Give her a little fluff around the outside. See me look at the things. Okay. Do I want to go even darker in the crease? I don't know, man. Maybe. Am I insane and do I go into the black? No. I'm not going. No, I'm not going to the black. I'm going to go on parallel. It's the dark brown because, you know. And just, here she is, blend it out. Now I kind of like to put my crease colour like way up here because as I get closer and closer to middle age, yeah, you sort of get a lump of like look at that. Like, hello. All of a sudden you've got hooded eyes. Like, I don't think they are. But like, you put it up there and it's like, GG. Okay, I think that's starting to look okay. Let's do the other side. Okay, what colour am I got? Parallel is brown, yeah. I know what I'm doing, fam. I want to see, draw in that fake high crease. That looks good. By good, I mean acceptable. Okay, now we do the blend. Yeah, close enough for middle. Okay, where are we going now? I think it might be finger time. Know what I'm saying? Oh, that sounded gross, dude. What the fuck? I'm really interested in this dimension colour. I'm going to put it on my finger and I'm going to put it on my face. Damn, it does feel really nice to the touch though. Like it feels like, I say like, it feels like butter. Oh my god. Like, not necessarily butter, but like a really nice soft eyeshadow for sure. GG. Alright, here we go. Oh hi, you're beautiful. Cool. Oh, there's like pink glitter in it as well. Oh, fuck me up, fam. Someone who really cared about getting like an intense look might cut this crease. I say no. Cutting creases is for fools. People with too much time on their hands. I'm gonna try the throne. I don't care, I'm going in. Yes. Oh, look at it there, man. Look at it there, it's the same colour as my hair. Oh. You know what, fuck you, I'm not complaining about that. I think that looks good. I just like the sparkly things, you know? I just like the sparkly things. Now, what I sometimes do like to do is just get a little bit of like, I'm not going to use Prism, I'm going to go into Lucid, which is this light one. Right, and this is going to be my, I one of here feels a bit more solider than the rest of them, but that's okay. Right, in a corner, stamping there with my little fingy, bloop, and get a little bit more, and just put right in the very middle. So it's like, oh, it's sort of like a halo eye, but also not. You know, you see what I mean? You see what I mean? This is me wiping my filthy fingers on my computer chair. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side with my left hand, which admittedly is not as dexterous as my right hand, but it does right. Okay, so Dimension, Throne, Lucid, let's go. That's legit my new favourite fucking colour. Look at it. Oh, there's just so much happening. It's like silver and then it's pink. What the fuck is this galaxy of desire? Oh, this was a good purchase, Taffy. Good job. You know, when it came out, people were a bit skeptical about this palette, but these colours are giving me life. I always put the sparkly ones on with my fingers now because, I don't know, it just works better, doesn't it? Oh, hey meow. And, you know, I don't want to keep going on about it, but you hit your mid-30s and things get different. Alright, Lucid. Gotta say, Lucid is not quite the same formula. I don't know, it's a lot less, hi, get on my finger, and a little bit more reserved maybe. A little zip around the outside with my Blends McGee. Right, cool. What am I gonna do on the bottom lash line? I didn't need to say that like that. What the fuck, mate? You're weird. Do I fuck around with obsidian? I could. Look, fuck it. I'm gonna go in with Osiris because it looks like it's blue with pink sparklies, which will tie it into the ship that's somewhere in the top. Let's see if I can get you going on here. Yeah, I'm bringing that way the fuck down because why wouldn't ya? You know, it frees me up a little bit of room so that maybe if I wanted to, I could use some of that obsidian. I don't know, man. Kind of like coming down the whole way into this little bit of eye bag. I think it was cool. I mean, it's not necessarily age appropriate, but I think it's cool. Right, I'm going to do Osiris on the other side, right? Is a sparkly colour the best to do this with? Probably not. It's okay. Now I'm going to go with obsidian because goths line their eyes with black. Yikes. Ta-ta-ta-tum. Right, wish me luck. Oh yeah, see? Done, Rick. Okay. Lucid responds better to a brush than my finger. Good to know. That, my friends, is a look. Okay. Right, I'm gonna go put some eyeliner on off camera, cause that's how I roll. And then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you the finished look. Oh, and also I've got new mascara. So I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Okay. Bye. Hello. Hi, I'm back. It has returned with eyeliner on. Now, this is exciting because in the same sale that I acquired, yay, my new best friend, I went and got myself sucked into the hype and bought myself a fucking roller lash. You know, I say every mascara is essentially the same, isn't it? We're about to find out if I'm right, because this is the good stuff. This is the shit that everybody talks about. Let's go, Taffy, let's put this mascara on. It's gonna be great. Hello, come here. Oh. Okay. Mascara. Right. That's So far so good. Okay. Let's do the other one. You got my mirror in Japan. It's pretty cute, eh? Where does the roller bit come into it? Am I missing something? I don't know. Thing is, without sounding like an arsehole, I've got quite good eyelashes. So it's got to be like really shit mascara for me to be like, ooh, not good. This looks nice. And see, from now on, I refuse to do fucking false eyelashes, so it doesn't matter if it's a little bit. I don't care about clump. I just care about looking sexy. It's quite good. I mean, I've got the little thin Maybelline purple one that is basically the same thing. And there she is. Okay, I like this. This is good. I mean, is it gonna change my life? Dunno. Might do. Maybe I'll never go back to buying Maybelline mascaras. To be honest, I probably will though. Get your finger out of your ear, fuck's sake. Right, well, so that's cool. I do look pink, don't I? I'm here for this eyeshadow. I know, it's a lot. And it's kind of grungy and kind of gross because I'm not that good at makeup. The shimmery friends are just, oh, pretty. I like them. There was a green one and, you know, green. And that other one that's like, hi, I'm grey, but I'm also pink. And then there was like a bright gold that I didn't even stick my finger into, but next time I will. So anyway, this has been me playing with my, hi, I love you. You're my new best friend. Oh, okay, Taffy. No one was late to the party, but it doesn't matter because I'm here now. And fashionably late. Right, so I'm gonna sit here for a little bit posing for my intro because I know you love that shit because I'm like, oh, sexy. And you're like, damn it. But, and then it comes into the thing and I'm like, hi, I'm Taffy. Oh, I'm beautiful. This has been great. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then also, if you want to get an Anastasia thing, I'd get one on sale. I'd get Prism on sale if you can get it. Like I did. Because I am an astute purchaser of makeup. Okay, mwah, I love you. Bye. Peace out. Would you look at these guns? Welcome to the gun show. I'm a Zarya main now.